Today topic definite integrations. See first formula. See integration a to b f of x dx equals to this integration f of x is value is, for example, capital F of x. So here limits are there. What are that? A to b. So first you substitute in place of x b value means f of x. After that keep minus. After that this a. Sorry, f of b minus f of a. Okay, so here integration a to b f of x dx equals to, first you do integration of f of x, we will get one answer, that is capital F of x. After that you substitute that limits. Okay, first b upper limit, what is that? B. So f of b minus lower limit a, f of a. Okay, understood. One example here. Integration 1 to 2 x dx. So what is the integration x? We know x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 to 2. What is the answer? X square by 2. What are the limits? 1 to 2. So what is the upper limit here? 2. So in place of x 2 you substitute 2 square by 2 minus lower limit is 1. So 1 square by 2. 2 square means 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, denominator same. So 4 minus 1, 3. 3 by 2. Like this. Okay. Next one more formula. Second formula. Integration 0 to a f of x dx equals to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Next one more formula. Integration, okay, integration a to b f of x dx equals to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now see how to use these formulas. Okay, example. Integration 0 to pi by 2, integration 0 to pi by 2, integration 0 to pi by 2, x by sin x, integration 0 to pi by 2, square root of sin x by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx. Okay, see here it is in the form of integration 0 to a f of x dx. See this second formula, integration 0 to a f of x dx equals to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So first this given you assuming to I, so integration 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx. Now see I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 square root of Sine of, in place of x, a minus x. A means here what? Pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus x by square root of sine of pi by 2 minus x plus square root of cos of pi by 2 minus x dx. So in place of x you write a minus x like that. Okay, remaining see here, remaining I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2. We know sine of 90 minus a. Sine of 90 minus a. Pi by 2 means here what? Pi by 2 means 90 degrees. So sine of 90 minus a, cos a. So square root cos x by square root of sine of 90 minus a, cos. So cos x plus square root of cos of 90 minus a, sin a. So sin x dx. Starting we are assuming this is equation number 1, this one equation number 2. Add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. So I plus I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx plus integration 0 to pi by 2 root cos x by root cos x plus root sin x dx. Okay, now see here two functions there, two integration, limit same 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Okay, now see how to write this one. See how to write this one. I plus I, 2i equals to integration 0 to pi by 2. Okay, root sin x plus root cos x by root sin x plus root cos x dx. Denominator same here, denominator same, so add the numerator. Numerator denominator both same means cancel. Integration dx means what? X. What are the limits here? 0 to pi by 2. Now substitute that limits. 2i equals to pi by 2 upper limit minus 0. This 2 changes to RHS. I equals to pi by 2 here multiply changes to RHS divided. So 2 to the 4. Now what is it? I? Pi by 4. The starting I means what? I means here integration 0 to pi by 2. Okay, root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx equals to what is this value? Pi by 4. Okay, understood? Next, third formula is what? Integration a to b f of x dx equals to, how to change this one? Integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now see one example. See example, integration pi by 6, integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root, same question, sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx. Now see this one assuming to I, so I equals to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx. So now I equals to integration, this one equation 1, assuming to pi by 6 to pi by 3, pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root of sine of, so in place of x a plus b minus x, a means here what, pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x by square root of sine of pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x plus square root of cos of pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x dx. So I equals to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root of sine of, see here pi by 6 means 30 degrees, pi by 3 means 60 degrees. So 30 plus 60 90. 90 means what? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x square root of, again sine of pi by 2 minus x plus square root of cos of pi by 2 minus x dx. I equals to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root of sine of 90 minus a cos a, so cos x, sine of 90 minus a cos x plus cos of 90 minus a sin x dx. This one too, add 1 and 2, add 1 and 2. So I plus I equals to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3. Here both the denominators same, see 1 and 2, so square root sin x plus square root of cos x by square root of cos x plus square root of sin x dx. Both numerator and denominator same, so cancel. Now remaining integration dx. Integration dx, LHS side I plus I 2i. Integration dx means x. What are the limits? Pi by 6 and pi by 3. So 2i equals to upper limit pi by 3 minus lower limit pi by 6. So pi by 6 middle minus 2i equals to pi by 3 means what? 60. Pi by 6 means 30. 60 minus 30, 30. So what is the answer? Pi by 6. Okay. Here multiply changes to RHS given. Then I equals to what? Pi by 2 6 12. I means what here? I means integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx. This value now finally what is this value? Pi by 12. Understood? Next one more problem. Evaluate integration 0 to pi by 2 cos power pi by 2 x by sin power pi by 2 x plus cos power pi by 2 x dx. Same again, see it is in the form of integration 0 to a f of x dx equals to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, now see first given I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos power pi by 2 x by sin power pi by 2 x plus cos power pi by 2 x dx. Now I equals to this one, assuming the equation number 1. Now I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos power pi by 2 in place of x. In place of x you write, pi by 2 minus x. Okay, in place of x you write pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x. What is the power? Power is pi by 2. Again sine of pi by 2 minus x. Here power is what? Pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2 minus x whole power pi by 2 dx. I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos of 90 minus a sin a. So sin power pi by 2 x, sin of 90 minus a here cos, so cos pi by 2 x plus cos of 90 minus a sin pi by 2 x dx. This one equation number 2. Now add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. I plus I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2. Same here, denominator same 1 and 2. So denominator sin power pi by 2 x cos power pi by 2 x. What are the numerators? Cos power pi by 2 x plus sin power pi by 2 x dx. Here see both numerator and denominator cancel. So integration dx means what? X. What are the limits? 0 to pi by 2. So first to upper limit. So what is the upper limit? Pi by 2. Here LHS side I plus I. So 2i equals to upper limit pi by 2 minus lower limit 0. Now 2i equals to pi by 2. 2 changes to RHS. Pi by 2 into 2 means 2 2s are 4. So what is the value? Pi by 4.